Hello, greetings and salutations. My name is Sarah Jane Cruickshank and I live here in Essex in the UK, and I am a stay-at-home mum and also a Forex trader. Now, I have something very exciting to tell you about today. I've recently become friends with an incredible trader. This guy is an 8-figure Forex trader. He has been trading Forex for 20 years and he is incredibly successful. Now, I recently saw an interview that he did where he explains his absolute killer strategy, the strategy that he's been using for 20 years to make him the successful trader that he is today. Now, I was privileged and lucky enough to get an access to this interview, and in this interview, this guy gives you the strategy he is using. He tells you what settings he uses, what indicators he uses, what he looks for when he's trading, what pairs he likes to trade. So, this guy has made 56 people millionaires by using this simple strategy. Now, I don't care if you're a complete newbie and don't know anything about Forex, or whether you are a super Forex trader already. You need to see this strategy. This strategy is changing lives. This strategy has changed my life. I have been trading for nearly 2 years now, and for the first year and a half I was like on a roller coaster, up and down, didn't really know what I was doing, of trying this, trying that. Finally, this strategy makes perfect sense. It works. I am consistently winning now with trading. I am averaging between 200 and 300 pips a week, and my account is growing. And I am just so excited that I want to share this with you. It's changed my life and I want it to change yours too. So if you've been struggling with Forex trading, if you've been, on a bit of a roller coaster like me, and you need something to focus on that actually works, then you need to see this interview. To see this interview, it is going to be really easy. All you need to do is, there's a link below here, and it links you to our Facebook group. And in that Facebook group, it's an open group, you can just come along and have a look. There's no obligation to do anything. You can have a look, you can go to the unit section and you can look at the strategy and you can watch that interview. So I am offering you the chance to do that. I'm offering you the chance to look at this strategy. It's an absolute killer strategy and it's working for so many people. Also in that group you can see people's testimonies of how they're using it and the results that they're getting. So you cannot afford not to have a look at this. So there's a link below to join the group. Please like this video, share this video. Come on, let's get everybody financially free with Forex trading. Let's share something that actually works, okay? And also in the links below you will find a link to my personal Facebook group as well, and also an incredible information document down there as well that is worth looking at. So, thank you for listening to me waffling on. And yes, people have been asking me about my Forex journey. My Forex journey is incredible, and I've been through everything. I've been through losses, wins, everything, but finally I have found something consistently working and consistently bringing in profits, and I am the happiest Forex trading mother in the whole world. So if you're like me and you want something really exciting, something new, please look at this strategy. Please, I'm begging you, because I want you to win like I am winning. Right, thanks very much, and check out the link. Go and visit the group now. Don't do it later, do it now. Thank you.